Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can collect roe from fish pond in Abyss Roblox. So if you guys want to expand your collection without spending a fortune on bait, the fish pond in Abyss isn't just for storage, and it's for breeding. So collecting roe or fish eggs is the secret to spawning your own rare species right at home. And in here I'm going to show you the exact process to harvest them. So first you just need to teleport to the fish pond, and once you're here you can just find your fish pond, your own fish pond. So this is my fish pond in here. View your fish pond, and this is my roe storage. So if you want to collect them one by one, you can just click on each like this, for example. But if you want to collect all, just click on collect all button right here. And if you want to sell them, you can just go up here and find the guy, this one, and you can sell your fish roe. You can just click on I like to set everything, and that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.